Here we're going to look at a line parallel to a given line through a given point. So, taking a look, we have a line, and we have a point given here. I'm given the point A. And you're asked to draw another line that's parallel. So, like, roughly, it should be a line somewhere like that going across the page. But obviously, we aren't allowed to use our protractor. We're only allowed to use our compass and a ruler. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to draw a line from A through the original line. And I just give it a little bit of an angle. It doesn't matter here as long as it's a straight line. So draw it through A, and I'd even go a bit further than A, like so. That's the first part, step one. Step two now is you're going to make an arc. So you're going to place the sharp point at where you just crossed that line with the line is. That wasn't a sentence, Steve, but you get the idea. And you're going to make a little arc through like this. So I'm going to create an arc like that. Now, I'm going to create the exact same arc further up, but I'm not going to change the size. So make sure you keep the same size. So place it at A now and do another arc similar at the top. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have two arcs, and I'm almost actually 90% of the way done here, getting ready to go. The last part of this is the bit to watch for. Okay, so here, I'm going to just label this point so you know what I'm talking about. I'll call this S, and I'll call this T, where they intersect here. What I'm going to say is place your sharp point on S, and extend out your pencil till it's touching the point T. So you should now have it the length of S to T. Okay, now place that at the top here where it intersects your line. So I'll call this X. Okay, just so you know what I'm talking about. So place this X. If it doesn't quite reach, just feel free to extend this line further. Okay, so I'll just show it a bit there extended. But point X is where that line meets the arc. And now that it's in the same size as ST, we're going to place it at X, and we're going to draw a small arc here, going through our previous arc. Okay, so that last little step gets people. So ST, and then place it at X, the top of this arc, and draw another one here. I'm going to call this, pick your favorite letter in the alphabet, P. I haven't used that today. So I'm going to call this P, and then I'm going to grab my ruler, and I'm going to draw a line from A through P. And hey presto, that line should be parallel to your original line. And it goes through the point that's external from it. Now, you could have a quick check to see if they're parallel. So just on this guy down here, this angle I get in here is about 65, I'll say. And up here, it looks like it's roughly about 65 as well. Okay, maybe a tiniest bit off. Okay, so just be careful with your ruling there. But that's how we make a line parallel to a given line through a given point. Best of luck.